Goenkan community are a learning community passionate about providing an international education which inspires and encourages learning and intercultural understanding. We facilitate self-discovery and the development of unique interests, gifts, and talents. Our teachers have been working very hard throughout the lockdown, making videos, creating PPTs, arranging quizzes, preparing assignments, etc. GD Goenka Public School Gaya has been the first school who promotes and uses Zoom as a medium for online teaching to minimize the potential of virus transmission. Our faculty members are getting crash courses for Zoom classes every week or two. We are the first school to examine students through e-exams and arrange e-PTM as well.
This is a tough time and will always be remembered as one of the toughest times in history of humanity. This is time of deadly COVID-19 around the globe. We can't stop, we can't wait. We have to survive and we have to move. This is turning point. World will not be the same now onwards, and so the education system. For us, this is a time to take lead. I take pride that my son is going to GD Goenka Gaya, which is leading society and other schools as well by revolutionizing teaching methodology. GD Goenka was ahead of time to tackle such situations by implementing Genius Corner long back. GD Goenka was the first in Gaya to start Zoom online classes. What more we expect from our school? A trendsetter, a leader.
I'm getting interactive live classes on Zoom. On Genius Corner, I get pre-recorded videos and a lot of study materials. Also on Genius Corner, we give regular online tests and periodic assessments.
Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, my dear friends. My name is Harshal Yadav, grade 3.
Good morning, everyone. I am mother of Harshal Yadav, Rupi Kumari. My son is studying in grade 3rd in JT Goenka Public School. JT Goenka Public School is the best school in Gaya, Bihar, which is providing Zoom online classes every day as school timing. And syllabus is going on time. I am grateful to all Goenka's teachers who are providing well teaching with new techniques. Me and my family is very happy that my son is studying in reputed school with 5-star facilities and education. So
I am really thanks to the management as well any teachers for beginning Zoom online class in the small city. We are blessed to be a part of a Goenka family. Thank you.
thank
Welcome everyone. I am Rakesh Kumar Sinha, Maths faculty, GD Goenka Public School, Gaya. As we know, whole world are facing a big disaster, that is coronavirus, COVID-19, and in these situations, our doctors, policemen, helpers, housekeeping, and all members are supporting us and doing hard work. And in this a big situation, being a teacher, I'm also stand with our education system and doing our duties. It's not very easy to attend regular classes and online classes. There's a big difference between regular classes and online classes. In regular classes, we are directly connected to the students and handle the situations smoothly. But in online classes, we are doing hard work in a whole day, then we perform well. As we know, in this situation, even parents and students are supporting us and we are doing well together and we will win. So stay home, stay safe.
Our gratitude to Honorable Chairman Sir and Principal Sir for taking up the initiative of beginning Zoom classes and being so supportful